Hi guys, my name's Maddie, and this week we're going to be talking about watering your trees and shrubs. Hi guys, my name's Maddie, and today we're talking about watering your trees and shrubs. So it's very important to make sure you're watering adequately right after you've planted that tree or shrub. Their root ball, as you can see, is super small. They only have this little area to access water. So once that water is past this top 8 inches of soil, this shrub has no more access to water as its root system is so small. So right after you've planted it, if it's super dry outside or just mildly dry even, you need to be watering it every day for about 5 minutes and allowing that root ball to get some good access to moisture. As the year dwindles on, you can cut that watering back to about every 3 days or once a week, as your shrub is seeming like it's adapting to the climate outside and adapting to your watering schedules. If it is really, really dry all summer like it has been in the past, you need to make sure that you are watering all summer and not just saying, I've watered it for a couple of weeks, it's good. It's not. Its root ball is still very small and you need to keep up consistent watering. So in that first year, give it lots of water. Very important as soon as the snow is melted of the following year to give it a good drink so that it can come out of dormancy and have a lot of access to water. And then again in the fall, very important watering season to give it a good drink because that is its entire water reserve for the whole year. So that next season, you can cut back watering. If it's the second year, cut back watering a little bit. Again, you still want to water in the spring, and then about once a week if it's a dry year. So make sure that you're keeping up on top of your watering. It's very important. We want these trees to survive. The bigger the tree, the more water it's going to need. So just make sure that you're giving it a good drink. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.